Nowadays, everywhere we go, we are confronted with an innovation or an introduction of a new digital technology. The digitalization, together with the rise of new working methods such as Agile and Scrum, presents new challenges and opportunities for those working in corporate and educational environments. These digital technologies require a fluid orchestration of different modes, like visuals, sound, movement, and of course, writing. But what kind of writing will that be? Word is that writing is old school. We are living in the age of typing, swiping, pinching, and tapping. If true, what will be the future role of handwriting in workspaces? To answer this question, Legamaster conducted a qualitative study in corporate and educational environments in Germany and the Netherlands. Results show that in both environments, writing is still one of everyday essentials. Writing is a social activity. It's about exchanging and visualizing ideas. Writing on an analog surface supports the creative process. Live writing and drawing play a key role when it comes to presenting ideas and creating strategies from scratch. The growing importance of agile working methods leads to more visualization in corporate environments, which creates an even greater need for visual communication products such as writing surfaces, notes, and magnets. In educational environments, the introduction of new active learning methods, which require a lot of teamwork, have a positive effect on visualization. The vast majority of the respondents have a clear preference for large, empty writing surfaces. The bigger, the better. Furthermore, the width of the board is more important than the height. This way, there is no limitation or interruptions while writing. Even though pre-printed surfaces are common for planning activities or useful for specific educational programs, both the corporate and educational environments prefer a blank writing surface to stimulate the creative process. Mobility and multifunctionality are key, but in corporate workspaces, quality of design is just as important. A good fit between office design and product design is preconditional. In addition, a mobile writing surface is highly important to create space and change perspective. It's clear that writing surfaces are still actively used in the digital age. Writing is here to stay, is what all respondents say. Digital writing surfaces, such as interactive screens, are on the rise in both environments. Despite the rise in popularity, it seems that limited use is made of the numerous features available on an interactive display. However, the development of interactive displays leads to more intuitive products users feel more comfortable with. Analog and digital presentation products complement each other. Together, they'll keep on playing an important role in both future offices and future classrooms. Again, it seems that the whole is greater than the sum of their parts. Isn't that what creativity is all about?